To keep our surroundings clean, waste management is a very important step, and waste segregation is the first and most important thing to do in this direction. We have all seen how we keep our spices and other materials in the kitchen neatly organized and don't allow them to get mixed up. For instance, if we mix up salt and sugar in a container, it may take us just a few seconds to mix up, but we'll not be able to easily separate this and it will become useless. Likewise, for our domestic waste, if we keep the waste properly segregated, the waste can then be recycled or treated appropriately. Let us look at how simple it is to keep waste segregated and not mix it up. Waste segregation guidelines have been in place in Karnataka and in fact mandated by the High Court for many years. And this has been made popular by a simplified procedure called the two bin and one bag method. Do visit their website shown. In this presentation, we'll take a quick look at this very simple method of segregation which you can follow. A typical household generates about a kilogram of waste per day. As an average, we have found that this estimate is valid. For example, if an apartment complex has 100 homes, a quick estimate of the wet waste generated would be 80 kgs per day. Of the 1 kg of waste generated daily, the largest component is the wet waste, that is food waste and kitchen scraps. This is not only the bulkiest part, but also needs immediate attention as it cannot be stored for more than a day or two, and it can give off a foul odor if it is not treated properly. This wet waste is best composted at site, that means within the home or the apartment or colony. This will prevent the waste from being carried around the city. This type of waste goes in the green bin. The next component is called the dry waste and refers to paper, plastic, cardboard, glass, metal, etc. These can be offered to recyclers provided it is not soiled and kept clean. For example, milk packets must be rinsed and dried. Juice containers should also be cleaned and dried, etc. This will enable easy recycling. This type of waste goes into the white or blue bag. The final category of waste is called rejects, and it consists of those pieces of waste which cannot be handled by the common citizen and need to be handed over to the authorities for proper and safe disposal. These include sharp glass pieces, soiled diapers, sanitary napkins, medicines, batteries, paints, chemicals, etc. This kind of waste goes into the red bin. Let us do a quick recap. Food and kitchen waste goes into the green bin. Recyclable paper, plastic, cardboard goes in the white or blue bag. Rejects like diapers, medical waste, electronic waste goes in the red bin. These containers are easily available online from a variety of suppliers. Thank you.